Hello, everyone. My name is Annabella, and today I'll be discussing some key takeaways from the book 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. This book offers insightful strategies for startups and innovation, emphasizing the importance of creating new value rather than merely competing in existing markets. So let's dive into it. 0 to 1 is written by Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal. This book focuses on how startups can achieve success through innovative thinking and creating monopolies. Thiel emphasizes moving from 0 to 1, which means creating something entirely new rather than copying existing models. So the first takeaway is monopoly over competition from the book. Thiel's argument is that monopolies drive innovation and create lasting value, while competition leads to stagnation. For example, Google dominates the search engine market, which has allowed it to significantly advance in AI and data management. According to Forbes, Google's monopoly has fueled its continuous innovation. However, there's a downside. Monopolies can lead to complacency. For instance, Microsoft's dominance in the OS market has led to antitrust cases and a slowdown in innovation. The Guardian details the challenges Microsoft has faced due to its monopoly. My insight here is that while monopolies can foster innovation, a balance with healthy competition is necessary to avoid market stagnation. So we go with takeaway number 2, which is the power law. The second takeaway is the power law in venture capital, where a small number of investments return most of the profits. A prime example is Facebook's early investment by Accel Partners, which returned over 200 times their initial investment, as highlighted by the Harvard Business Review. However, this reliance on the power law can lead to risky investments. WeWork's high valuation and subsequent losses serve as a cautionary tale. The CNBC discusses the lessons learned from WeWork's failed IPO. The power law highlights the importance of high-risk, high-reward investments, but it's crucial to maintain diversification and perform due diligence. So let's explore a few ideas from Peter Thiel's book. First up, improving on existing products. Thiel stresses the importance of innovation within established markets. Instead of inventing something entirely new, focus on enhancing what's already successful. However, I do believe that some markets might benefit more from exceptional service than from products alone. That means making incremental improvements, differentiating your product by offering unique benefits, and using customer feedback to guide these enhancements. And now next, let's talk about lean and flexible planning, and the humility to accept that plans need adjustments to continuously test and improve your strategies. Lastly, Thiel asserts that a bad plan is better plan than no plan at all. And why? It's because having any plan provides direction and aligns the team's effort towards common goals. Plus, even a flawed plan offers the starting point for learning and making necessary adjustments. It encourages proactive strategy development rather than reactive decision-making. A few business examples supporting innovation is Apple's iPhone and SpaceX reusable rockets. In 2007, Apple revolutionized mobile communication by merging a phone, an iPod, and internet device into the iPhone, setting the standard for all smartphones. The iPhone's intuitive multi-touch interface and powerful functionality created a new app ecosystem, transforming how we live and work. However, the initial skepticism around its virtual keyboard was notable. Next, SpaceX. Elon Musk's vision for reusable rockets drastically reduced space travel costs, making ambitious projects feasible. The reusable Falcon 9 rocket cut costs and increased launch frequency, opening new possibilities for space exploration and commercial activities. So Peter Thiel's strategies encapsulate the success of these innovations. So he said that 1, to bet on a contrarian truth, just like we saw with Uber when we ride with strangers, or the keyboard in Apple. Start by dominating a small market, and also he said to strive to be a monopoly. These principles were crucial in transforming both the tech and space industries, despite the initial critiques and challenges faced. A few business examples supporting monopoly creation is Thiel's perspective, which is both controversial and enlightening. Arguing that creating a monopoly should be the ultimate goal for any startup, let's explore some key examples. Amazon, Facebook, Google, PayPal, and Apple. We will start with Amazon. Amazon's monopoly-like status stems from its focus on logistics, economies of scale, and a customer-centric approach. Its vast distribution network allows for low prices and fast delivery, which competitors struggle to match. This dominance in e-commerce has enabled Amazon to expand into cloud computing with AWS and entertainment with Prime Video. Next up, Facebook. Facebook exemplifies network effects, creating a monopoly. As more users join, the platform becomes more valuable, discouraging competition. Facebook global connectivity has led to acquisition of potential competitors like Instagram and WhatsApp, consolidating its position as the leading social media platform. Thirdly, Google. Google's search engine's monopoly is built on superior algorithms and continuous innovation. By delivering the most relevant search results, Google has become indispensable, commanding significant advertising revenues. Its dominance extends into Android, cloud computing, and AI, reinforcing its monopoly foundation. Now, PayPal. PayPal's story is particularly interesting because Thiel himself co-founded it. PayPal achieved a monopoly in online payments by initially focusing on eBay transactions. Its early adoption and integration with eBay created a network effect that made it the default choice for online payments. This strategic positioning allowed PayPal to fend off competitors and eventually expand its services beyond eBay. Thiel uses PayPal as a case study to highlight how finding a niche and dominating it can pave the way for broader market control. Apple. Apple's monopoly in the premium consumer electronics is due to its seamless integration of hardware and software, focusing on design, innovation, and brand loyalty. Thiel emphasizes the power of visionary leadership in creating groundbreaking companies. Elon Musk's leadership at Tesla and SpaceX showcases how a founder's vision can drive companies to achieve monumental advances in electric vehicles and space exploration. Mark Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg's vision for Facebook has transformed global social networking, fundamentally changing how people connect and communicate. So my personal critique is that while Thiel admires monopolies, they can stifle competition. They limit consumers' choice and lead to complacency. Governments often scrutinize monopolistic behaviors to ensure fair competition and innovation. As seen with antitrust investigations into major tech companies like Google and Facebook, thus while creating a monopoly can lead to immense success and stability, it also brings significant ethical and legal challenges. The lack of competition can result in higher prices and reduced innovation over time. An additional economic critique from an economic standpoint is that monopolies can lead to market inefficiencies. Without competition, monopolies may have less incentive to improve products and services, potentially leading to lower quality and less innovation. The economist Joseph Schumpeter famously argued that monopolies are the destruction of creativity. Monopolies can hinder this process by suppressing new entrants and maintaining the status quo. Innovation can thrive in collaborative environments, not just monopolies. Perfect competition promotes consumer choice, competitive pricing, and continuous improvement. In a perfectly competitive market, numerous small firms ensure that prices remain low and quality remains high. This environment fosters innovation as companies strive to outdo each other. Founders' visions are crucial, but diverse leadership can enhance a company's resilience and adaptability. Balancing visionaries' leadership with a competitive market can create a more dynamic and innovative ecosystem. By fostering a culture of collaboration and competition, businesses can achieve sustainable growth and long-term success.